Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing repotting pothos, when and why it is necessary, and what type of soil mix we should use for repotting our pothos. As you can see, I grew this plant from stem cuttings during spring, and after 4-5 months, it has covered the entire pot. And now the question arises, when should we repot our pothos? So my answer is, if you see roots coming out from the drainage, you see yellowing leaves despite proper care, or when you water your pothos, it drains out too quickly, then these are few signs that indicate that your plant probably needs more room to grow. And since all these signs were present in my plant, so I decided to repot it. And when you decide to repot your plant, it is important to choose the right container. So ideally, I would say the new pot should be 1 or 2 sizes bigger in diameter than the current pot. Personally, I prefer to go about an inch or 2 inches bigger container, as it allows the roots to spread out easily and minimizes the risk of root rot due to excess soil that may keep the roots wet for too long. So be specific, just get 1 or 2 inches bigger container. And now I'm gonna tap at the bottom to just loosen up the roots little bit so that the plant can come out easily from the container. And let me take it out. Oh my gosh, here is the whole bunch of root balls only. There's, I think, hardly any soil left, and it's all roots. And next important thing in repotting your pothos is the soil mix. Remember to use a well-draining soil. So I would recommend probably a mix of coco peat, perlite or sand, compost or vermicompost would work very well for pothos. My personal favorite mix for pothos includes a blend of coco peat, perlite, orchid bark, some worm castings. And now I'm gonna add 2-3 layers of soil in the bottom of the planter. I think this is enough. And now I'm gonna place this plant into its new home. I'm gonna loosen up this root balls little bit. Generally, I won't prefer disturbing the roots a lot unless it's really necessary. However, if you notice any black or brown colored root balls or any roots that do not appear healthy, I would highly recommend you should trim those roots away. And now you can see I am just filling in the gaps with some fresh soil. Now it is important to shake the planter a little bit to avoid any air pockets. And when we do like this, the soil gets evenly distributed all around the root balls. After repotting, you see I'm gonna water this pothos thoroughly, which means I would allow the extra water to come out from the drainage. And after repotting your pothos, it is important to follow some guidelines. So firstly, I would say do not fertilize them for at least a month. Secondly, avoid exposing your plants directly in sunlight right after repotting. And thirdly, do not overwater your pothos right after repotting, and allow the top 2 inches soil to dry out before you water your pothos next time. And when you repot your pothos or money plants, it expands the root system, allowing the plants to access more nutrients and water, which eventually promotes healthier growth. Here you can see after repotting, this plant has grown new vines. There are new variegation on the leaves, you can see clearly. And if you really like this video, find this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and also give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay happy and happy planting.